last 5 months of my experience with VSGH at Upanagaram. I'm here since last 5 months as the CGM and HOD of the medical department. I took over in the month of August 2020. So that time you all also know that COVID was at its highest level, and immediately my task was to bring in the control measures to prevent the spread of COVID, and also organize treatment facility for our employees and their dependents so that the sufferings comes down, and all our employees and families, they recover well and go back home safely. So as soon as we started that work, the surveillance of COVID, we started with the help of our COVID nodal officer, COVID in charge doctor, COVID volunteers from the town administration department. So we created a lot of awareness among our township residents, and also we put in a lot of restrictions so that people will not gather at one place and they follow all the COVID prevention guidelines. And also we started spraying the anti-microbial sprays in all the public places, and we followed all the guidelines given by Government of India and Government of Andhra Pradesh in controlling COVID. In addition to that, we created a lot of facilities in our VHS hospital, because the beds were not available in the outside hospitals. So we created a designated COVID ward with 32 bed capacity, and also we created a 100-bed capacity COVID care center for isolation purpose for those patients who don't have any symptoms but they are positive. And we organized with the government primary health center to do COVID testing at our VHS hospital on a twice a week basis. That really helped us to identify our patients early and provide the treatment, so prevent the sufferings to the employees and their family members. So in this last 5 months, we received a lot of support from our VSGH and Vizag Steel Plant Management, starting from our CMD sir, our director personnel, and all other directors support us in a very good way, so that we will be able to perform, and we could acquire some new technologies and tests related to COVID. For example, we acquired 2 ventilators, and also we acquired specific tests which are necessary for managing COVID patients. And also my team of doctors and nurses and other paramedical workers and administrative people here at Vizag, also VSGH, also supported me a lot in implementing all these programs, so that we successfully managed the crisis the COVID created in our township and at VSGH. So I'm thankful to all my colleagues, including all senior doctors, all technicians, all administrative staff, and all other paramedical medical staff here who supported me in a great way to implement this. And slowly now COVID is under control. Now we have shifted our concentration onto the general healthcare of our employees and their dependents. So we are slowly opening up all the services, general healthcare services, to our patients and their families, and we are getting all the required supplies like medicines and other equipments and lab related consumables, so that we will be back on normal in providing the regular healthcare to our employees and their families. As we have mentioned, now COVID is well under control, but still we have to be careful, because we are expecting the second wave if we don't follow the guidelines for next 2 to 3 months till the vaccination is available. So in this context, I also want to mention some effort from VSGH and from our occupational health center. So we saw that whenever there was a group activity going on within the plant while commissioning particular plant areas, for example, blast furnace 3 commissioning was there. So we had, in our experience, we had seen that during the blast furnace 2 commissioning, large number of cases came out after that activity was over. So this time we took a precaution and care to see that during the blast furnace 3 commissioning this should not happen. So we took a lot of preventive measure in terms of administration of few preventive drugs and screening, providing masks and maintaining social distancing. So that really yielded a result that we didn't get any cases even after the commissioning of Blast Furnace 3, where there was a congregation of nearly about 400 to 500 employees and officers were there. And similarly, 15 days back, we had a commissioning of the Cocoa One's Battery 5. So there also again we did the same exercise of prevention, and again that also really worked well, and we didn't get any new cases from that activity also. So that means to say that we need not get afraid of COVID. Once we follow all the preventive measures, guidelines, and take care of ourselves, we can really control the COVID. And our experience also says that nowadays, even though people get infected, they're promptly getting treated and they're responding to the treatment, and without any complication, they're recovering and going home. To say that in our ward, last 1.5 months, whoever got admitted with COVID positive, they stayed for a very short period of 3 to 5 days maximum, and they got well and they are discharged home. And we didn't have even an opportunity to refer them outside for any requirement of super specialty treatment or any other special treatment. That means it shows that the viral virulence is coming down. So people may get infected, become positive, but did not get apprehension of that, because people are promptly getting recovered, because the virulence of the virus is slowly going up, but spreading is definitely there, but the seriousness and the virulence has come down. So that way it is a little bit comforting to us and to our aged parents or dependents who are at home. But still, I request you to follow all the COVID preventive guidelines, so that let us see a new COVID-free 2021 year ahead. Wish you all a very happy new year.